Okay, the coop is close enough to the house that I can run a main hose out to it. So I'm going to attempt to clean some of the inside of our coop today. As you can see, there's been quite a bit of dust, build up all up in here. I'm going to attempt to do it with a power washer. Hopefully when I start this, it doesn't give them all heart attacks, but fingers crossed everything works out okay. I'll try to hit some of these nesting boxes too. You can see where they get up here and roost at night. Also the inside, I want to clean that up. This is, as I'm sure everyone's seen, where the eggs come out. I want to get all this cleaned up and looking nice and fresh and new. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed that they don't all have a heart attack when I start this. Should be fine. We'll see. Well, cool. That didn't take too long, and it feels a lot cleaner in here. It looks a lot cleaner in here. It's probably hard to tell, but knocked down a lot. About a year of just dust and crap on the walls. Not literally crap, but just dust and like debris that's formed. Clean up around the nesting boxes, just to give them a better, living condition, cleaner for them. I washed off their waterers. I clean their waterers a lot, or quite often, but to actually do it with the pressure washer and pressure wash all the little fittings and where the water sits, makes them look a lot cleaner. And bonus, no heart attacks, but one did lay an egg.